2,000 years later.
Sana all.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
What's up guys, maligayang pagbabalik sa ating YouTube channel. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marikina River Bank. Yan, sa Adidas Outlet Store. Yan, nakabogo sila, buy one get one. Yan, tara samahan nyo ako sa loob. Let's go.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead.
Yan, ito naman yung Adidas Terex na naka buy one get one din to guys. Ito pang outdoor shoes. Yan, ang price na ito 12,000. Yan, buy one get one. Tapos ito pa, another pang outdoor shoes na Terex. Yan, dual density 8,000, naka buy one get one. Ito namang Solar Boost na Adidas 8,000, naka buy one take one. Alright. Tapos ito naman another design ng Terex Agravic Ultra. Yan, 8,500 siya, naka buy one get one din to. Ito naman another colorway ng Solar Boost. Yan, 8,500, naka buy one get one din to. All sizes meron po sila. Yan, ito naman another Adidas Duramo. Ayan, 3,500, naka buy one get one din to. Ito naman another colorway na Adidas Solar Boost. Ayan, 8,000 siya, naka buy one get one din to. Alright. Ito namang Adidas Bounce. Ayan, naka buy one take one din. Lahat ng mga ano nila rito guys, naka buy one take one. Ito naman another Adidas, ganda na ito guys. So Adidas Bounce. Ayan, 8,000 siya, naka buy one get one. Ayan, ito namang pang outdoor shoes na Adidas Adicross High 10,200, naka buy one get one din to. All goods Tapos ito namang pang outdoor shoes na Terex Voyager 21, naka buy one get one 5,500. Ito namang Adidas NMD na triple black version 3, naka buy one get one 8,500. Tapos itong Adidas Pure Boost, yan 6,800, naka buy one get one din to. Tapos ito naman another colorway na Pure Boost 22, yan 6,800, naka buy one get one din to guys. Yan, ito namang Adidas Fantasy Flow, yan 5,300, buy one get one. Then ito namang Adidas X9000 L4U, yan 8,000, naka buy one get one. Yan, Jet Boost, napaka solid, ganda. Yan, ito namang another colorway na Adidas Abrin, yan 8,000, naka buy one get one. Ito naman another colorway na Adidas Abrin 8,000, buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas Ultra Boost, yan naka buy one get one din to. Yan, ito namang Adidas Adistar, yan naka buy one get one din siya. Yan, ito namang Adizero Boston 11, 8,000 buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas Osra 7,300 buy one get one. Yan, dito naman tayo guys, mga pang basketball shoes. Itong napaka solid na, yan, buy one get one din to guys. Tapos ito rin, another colorway na Trae Young 2. Yan, 7,000 buy one get one. Ito naman Adidas Crazy, yan, Boost. Yan, naka buy one get one naman to. Wala siyang price. Ang BYW Select 85, naka buy one get one. Yan, ito namang Agent Gel Resto Mode. Ayan, 7,500, naka buy one get one din to. Ito namang T-Mac 3 Resto Mode. Ayan, 7,300, naka buy one get one. Ito naman BYW Select 85, naka buy one get one. Ito namang Top 10 2010 65 buy one get one. Ito namang James Harden 4,300, naka buy one get one din to. Ito namang Adidas Advantage 3,300 buy one get one. Ito namang Hypertube 7,500, naka buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas Boston 11R 8,000, naka buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas Superstar Millencon 6.8, naka buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas Alpha Bounce 4,500, naka buy one get one. Ito namang XPLR Boost 9,000, naka buy one get one. Yun, ito namang Wristband Super 3.0 5,000 pang running, naka buy one deck one din to. Yan, dito naman tayo sa mga slides guys. Ito naka buy one get one din to. Ayan, alright. Ayan o, hanggang dulo po yan. Yan, tingnan natin yung price. Itong slide na to, yan, 1.5, naka buy one get one. Ito po, lahat po dito yan guys sa Adidas Outlet Store, Marikina Riverbanks. Yan, ang daming pagpipilian dito. Alright, solid, ang dami guys. Yan, ito 1,200. Hanap ka ng kaparehas, buy one get one. Tapos ito pa, another colorway na slide, Adilite Shower. Yan, 1.5, buy one get one. Tapos ito pa, oh, ang dami rito guys. Yan, ito Adilite Che. Lahat po yan naka buy one get one, hanggang dulo po yan guys. Another pang outdoor shoes na 7,500, oh, naka buy one get one din to. Tapos ito, another colorway na pang outdoor shoes na Adidas Adventure Adi Prime. Yan, 7,500, naka buy one get one. Adidas NMD R1 8,000 pesos, buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas Top 10 RB 5,000, buy one get one. Ito namang Adidas NMD R1 8,000, buy one get one. Ito naman pang outdoor shoes na Hyper Tarp 7,500, naka buy one get one. Ito naman Adidas NMD version 385, buy one get one. Ito naman Adidas NY90 4,800, buy one get one. Ito naman Adidas Stan Smith na strap, naka buy one get one din to, pero wala siyang price. Yan, puntahan nyo na lang dito guys sa Adidas Riverbank the outlet store. Susunod natin ng Ultra Boost 22, 9,500, buy one get one. Ito naman sunod natin tong Pure Boost, ayan, 6,800, buy one get one. Ito naman sunod natin tong Pure Boost 22, another colorway, 6,800, buy one get one din to. Ito naman Ultra Boost Light, ayan, 10,000 to, naka buy one get one din to guys. Ito naman Ozelia 5,500, naka buy one get one din to guys. So ito naman Adi Star 2, ayan, 6,800, naka buy one get one. Ito naman Bounce, ayan, Response, ayan, 4,500, naka buy one get one. Ito naman sunod natin tong PLR Boost, yan, 9,000, naka buy one get one din to. So guys, so may nakita tayo rito ang Jeremy Scott, yan, oh, solid, oh. Ang price niya 9,000 pero buy one get one na to. Ayan, oh, Jeremy Scott, solid.
Sana all.